Start with the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. Dear students, today we are going to learn about the units of time. There are different units of time. We will start learning from the name of the days. Days also the units of time. So first of all, we should know the name of the days, and we should know there are how many days in a week. So the first of all, we will learn the days of week. Days of week. So my dear, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. So what are the days of week? What are the name of the days of week? We will learn now. So let's see. The first day of the week is Sunday. 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 The second day is Monday. Monday. Sunday. Monday. The third day is Tuesday. 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 Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. The last one is Saturday. Saturday. So there are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So after learning the days of week, we will try to learn the months of year. Months of a year. Months of a year. How many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. The first one is January. 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 February. February. March. April. April. May. June. June. July. July. August. August. September. September. October. November. November. December. December. So there are 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So these are the months of a year. So my dear, we are learning the units of time. Units of time. So as I told you, we will the smallest unit of the time is second. The smallest unit of time is the second. So after second, the smallest unit is minute. So I will start from the second. Number 1. How many seconds are in 1 minute? How many seconds are in 1 minute? So what is the answer? Answer will be there are 60 seconds. SEC you can write, or small s you can write here, or there are different types, or you can write SECONDS. Okay my dear, SE you can write only, it means second. As small as, it means also second. So there are 60 seconds in a minute. Number 2 question. How many minutes are there in 1 hour or in an hour? Same question. The answer, there are 60 minutes. MIN you can write minute, or MINUTES minutes. There are 60 minutes in an hour. Clear my dear? So after that, how many hours in a day? How many hours in a day? So there are 24 hours. There are 24 hours in a day. So how many seconds in a minute? There are 60 seconds. How many minutes in an hour? There are 60 minutes in an hour. And how many hours in a day? There are 24 hours in a day. Okay, number 4 question. How many days in a week? How many days in a week? The answer is there are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Okay. Number 5. How many days in a month? In a month. So answer is there are 30 days. There are 30 days in a month. My dear, this is averagely. In average there are 30 days, but some month there are 31 days in a month. For example, in January there are 31 days in January. In February it is 28, or sometimes 29, and March also 31, April 30, May 31. So in average there are 30 days. But how you can know, if someone will ask you how many days in August, August, how many days in the month August, so how will you tell them? So I give you a very simple tip. So just close your hand like this and look here. We will start from here. This is January. There are how many days in January? 31 days. And February down. January, February down. If down, only February has 28 days. Then March, it is up. If it is up, so 31. January, February, March is up, 31. April down. If it is down, so 30. January, February, March, April. April is down, so 30. May, again up, so 31. If up, 31. January, February, March, April, May, June. June again down, 30. July up. July again up, so 31. August again up. July, August, so 31. In August also 31. July, August. September, it is down. If it is down, so how many? 30. So like that you will tell anyone if someone asks you how many days in different months. So you can use this technique and you can tell them. Okay, my dear, clear? So after that, now how many days in a year? How many days in a year? There are 365 days. There are 365 days in a year. Okay, my dear, clear? Now we learnt about the days. How many days in a week? There are 7 days. How many days in a month? There are 30 days. And how many days in a year? There are 365 days. After that, how many weeks now? How many weeks in a month? How many? Question number 7. How many weeks in a month? I told you before, in 1 week there are 7 days. So how many weeks in a month? So there are 4 weeks. There are 4 weeks in a month. Clear? Number 8. How many weeks in a year? How many weeks in a year? So there are almost 52 weeks. 52 point something, but 52. In whole answer there are 52 weeks in a year. Clear, my dear? So we learned about the days, how many days in a month, in a week, in a year, and how many weeks in a month. There are 4 weeks. And how many weeks in a year? There are 52 weeks. Clear, my dear? So these are the units of time. If someone or in exam can ask anyone question, so you can reply. And the most important thing is converting. How to convert minutes into hour, seconds into minutes, days into weeks, and weeks into months. So this is very important thing which we are going to learn now. Converting time. Converting time. Converting time units. Converting time units. How to convert? For example, to change second into minute. Second into minute. For example, we have 120 seconds. We want to change it into minutes. How we will change? Because there are 60 seconds in a minute, so we will divide by second, divide by 60, it will become minutes. 120 seconds for changing into minutes, we will divide by 60, it will become minutes, because there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Clear, my dear? It will become minutes. And the second thing, how to convert minute into hour? It is same formula. 300 minute. We want to change it into hours. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so we will divide by 60, it will become hours. 300 divided by 60, because 300 minutes we want to change into hours, so we will divide by 60. Okay, let's see. I would like to write clearly just the formulas for you to understand. So just concentrate. To convert or to change second into minutes. To convert second into minutes, we will do what? Divide by 60. Okay, to convert minute into hour, divide by 60 again. Number 1, number 2. Number 3, to convert second into hour, divide by 2 times 60. 60 multiply 60. Why? Because 1 times 60 change into minutes, again 60 change into hour. So seconds into hour, divide by 60 multiply 60. Clear, my dear? So changing hours into days. To convert, number 4, hour into days, divide by 24, because 24 hours in a day. So converting hour into days, divide by 24. Then to convert days into week, divide by 7, because 7 days in a week. To convert week into days into week, divide by 7. So my dear, and one more important thing, if we will convert opposite, for example, I divided days into weeks, so I divided by 7. If I will divide change week into days, so I will multiply by 7. If I will convert week into days, I will multiply by 7. Days into hour, multiply by 24. Just divide will change into multiply, number will be same. To convert minutes into seconds, multiply by 60. To convert hour into minutes, multiply by 60. To convert week into days, multiply by 7. Clear? So number 6, to convert days into month, divide by 30. For example, we have 90 days. 90 days we want to convert into months. How many months in 90 days? We will divide by 90 divided by 30. Clear? If we want to convert month into days, 7 months, how many days? So divide will change into multiply, multiply by 30. If it is opposite, month into days, multiply by 30. Days into month, divide by 30. Just keep in your mind, if it is opposite, changing the unit opposite, just divide will change into multiply, the number will be same. Clear, my dear? Hope you understand the concept of the units of time. So my dear, for learning, for memorizing, you need to do practice. Practice, my dear, again and again, and watch again and again. Hope you will understand everything. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you next time.